Thank God it's a Friday. Ito po ang November 5, 2021 edition in the stock market today. At 50 days na lang, Pasko na. Kanina po nung tinitingnan ko po yung dates kanina, akala ko November 6, November 5 lang pala. Anyway, ito po ang inyong lingkod, Benji Chidoro. Ako po isang retired bank officer na nagsimula mag-invest sa Philippine stock market in 2007, and I do this report every day, which I started August of last year. I also report the latest news on your favorite and most active stocks. If you like the content, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. If you have stocks in mind that you want reviewed, please comment on the comment box and I will prioritize. Ang balita po natin ay tungkol sa PLDT, kasama po ang resulta ng trading sa ating PSE ngayong araw. November 5, 2021, Friday, dito po sa The Stock Market Today. Don't go away. Okay, so let's take a look at our financial headlines. And here ay meron tayong isang magandang good news. Maganda na good news pa, no? Okay. NCR is to alert level 2 starting today. Actually, lahat nabigla dito, pati ako. Akala ko November 15 pa, no? But, well and good, ano? Kawawa naman kasi yung mga businesses. So, alert level 2 na po tayo from alert level 3. So, ano ba ang kaibahan ng alert level 2 sa alert level 3? So, under alert level 2, indoor establishments or activities like entertainment venues, tourist attractions, religious gatherings, social events, dine-in, personal care services are now allowed to operate at a maximum 50% on-site venue. Meanwhile, other establishments not included in the ITF list and not covered by the granular lockdowns may operate at 100% on-site venue seating capacity, provided minimum public health standards are adhered to. So, jobless rate soars to 8.9% in September. So, baka maging drag to sa economy natin, no? BSP sees no second round effects on inflation, which is good news. And this is our main news. TEL 9-month earnings up 10% year-on-year, 23.1 billion. ICT net income soars 75% year-on-year in third quarter 21. Then RRHI third quarter headline net income up 39% year-on-year. Mukhang magagandang news to, no? Sa PLDT, ICT, and RRHI. Or RRHI. Sorry po. Then JFC unit to acquire 51% of bubble tea firm, which we already covered yesterday. So in our news, TEL's 9-month earnings up 10% year-on-year to 23.1 billion pesos. So TEL posted a third quarter core earnings of 7.9 billion, up 11.1% year-on-year and 2% quarter-on-quarter, bringing the 9-month tally to 23.9 billion and in line with our estimates, sabi ni BDO Securities. Total service revenues reached record levels, third quarter 21 and 9-month 21 at 46 billion and 135 billion respectively, as data and broadband continue to underpin top-line growth. Consumer wireless, however, continues to be challenged in the third quarter by recurrent mobility restrictions and heightened competition. Meanwhile, third quarter EBITDA, which is earnings before income taxes and depreciation, rose 7.9% year-on-year to 24.5 billion, an all-time high for the fifth straight quarter, with EBITDA margin at 52.2%. So this is the summary of BDO Securities. Kung titingnan po natin yung kanyang estimates, ni-revise po niya, no? Dati po, nasa 1,600 yung target price. Now, they revised it upwards to 1930 from 1603. And sabi niya dito, yung sub-headline niya, Pay Maya Prospects Complement Core Telco Business. And 9-month core earnings is up 10% year on year. Data and broadband continues to drive top-line growth. Pay Maya provides promising prospects, and there is a reiteration of a buy on healthy core telco business and promising e-wallet unit. Okay, so that's it for our news for the day. So let's now go to the Philippine Stock Exchange. But before I do that, let me acknowledge some of our comments here from our dear subscribers. So tignan po natin. So Jan Suwayan commented, "Thank you po sir sa pag-include sa ASEM." So welcome po. Basta sabihin niyo lang sa akin kung ano po ang request yung stock at aking pong i-analyze. Pero without that, I will be picking from the most active stocks in the PSE. TD MCRO commented, "Trader o investor po kayo?" I am both, a trader and an investor. I started trading lang noong when I retired. No? Actually, I am a long-term investor. And I have maintained two portfolios, the investment portfolio and the trading portfolio. Pero mas malaki ng konti po yung aking investment portfolio. Yung investment portfolio po is for capital appreciation and dividend yield. Yun po ang purpose ko for holding on to the investment portfolio. Ang time horizon ko po yan is 3 to 5 years. Pero yung trading portfolio ko po, its time horizon ko is between 1 day to 3 months. Yun po yung trading portfolio ko, and it's smaller than the investment portfolio. I am both. Okay. And then Irving Lagman commented, "Hello sir, do you have a..." Okay. "I would like to ask some questions and tips as a newbie in stocks." Alam mo Irving, may mga links po ko below, no? And some of these are for newbies. Like halimbawa, dun po sa link na dun sa description ay meron pong risks in investing in stocks, an introduction to the Philippine stock market, the top 10 dividend-paying stocks, what are bids and asks, what is a block sale, what is the PSE index, why invest in the Philippine stock market. Yun po ay for newbies or new in stocks or new in the Philippine market. Tingnan mo muna yon, no? And then another tip, kung newbie po kayo, mag-inquire po kayo sa PSE. Punta po kayo sa website ng PSE, then inquire o hanapin po ninyo. Nagpro-provide po sila ng libreng seminar, and sometimes meron pang course, no? Inquire nyo muna. Kasi pre-pandemic, nagbibigay po sila ng course. Baka ngayon online na po. Pero I don't know. I haven't taken a look at the PSE. Dati po kasi may bayad yun, yung online. Yung face-to-face po sila kung mag-deliver ng classes. At free po yun. And aside from that, meron po silang PSE Academy, I think, na they teach you on the stock market, pero may bayad po yun. But I'm not anymore privy, no, kung ginagawa pa nila yun. But inquire ka muna. But in the meantime, tingnan mo yung description if that will fit you. And if doesn't fit you or you wanted to know more, then saka tayo mag-usap. Okay? Yan po. Yan po ang aking advice muna bago ko pagbigyan itong request mo dito. Okay? Sige, maraming salamat po. And now let's go to the Philippine Stock Exchange and the Philippine Stock Exchange Index. Okay, the PSEI gained 137.05 points. Wow, medyo malaki to, no? 1.9% up to end at 7340.77. I think this is the first time it hit 7,300. The last time was January 8, 2021, ano? Tapos nag-wane uli yung ating PSE index. But this is the highest, ano? And there was net foreign buying by 695.24 million. And market activity naman, 137 companies advanced, 67 declined, while 44 remained unchanged. The all-share index also was in the green at 1.21% or 53.84 points. All our sectoral indices are up, and this was led by properties at 3.3%, followed by services at 2.53%. So we will be reviewing the following: TEL, ICT, RRHI, JFC, then SMPH, GTCAP, and ALLDY. So we'll be reviewing 7 stocks. So let's now start. So ang una po natin ay si TEL na nag-increase yung target price niya, no? Per BDO Securities. And then sa 1650 na po si TEL at yung kanyang support ay nasa 1600 while resistance is here at 1720. So dyan po siya naglalaro since September 27. And TEL is one of the more active stocks in the index, and you can never go wrong with index stocks. Okay, next we have ICT, yung kumpanya ni Mr. Razon. By the way, si Yuka Sasa pala, no? Yung kanyang sponsor is ICT, but she elected to become a Japanese citizen. Ako, nalulungkot ako dun. Dahil sa Japan po, when you reach a certain age, at the age of 21, you have to choose whether you are a Filipino citizen or a Japanese citizen. Anyway, ICT continues to move sideways as our indicators are piercing through the candlesticks, and it gained 9.30, 9 peso 30 centavos to end at 87.30, or a 5.22% rise, while the support is at EMA 100 at 174.56. So yun po si ICT, and one of the more popular and resilient stocks in the index. And then RRHI, wow, patuloy na tumataas si RRHI, no? So tingnan natin kung ano yung bagong target price ni BDO Securities dyan. Okay, nasa 74 po si RRHI, or a 17.5% upside pa, no? Si RRHI po ay nasa 63.75 and it ended in the green, no? And yung ating indicators are under the candlestick and it continues to move upwards. Actually, dito po nagko-consolidate but it's inching up here. RSI is at 68.72. Yan po. Ngayon, yung support po niya ay ilagay po natin sa EMA 20 at 60.58. So, if we will be drawing a channel, draw nga tayo ng isang parallel channel. May slight overshoot lang, but that is the parallel channel which follows the EMA 20. So, ganyan po yung channel ni RRHI. The upper channel is the resistance, the lower channel is the support. Okay? Then JFC. Si JFC, tatahitahimik lang to pero tumataas. Ayan, no? 244 na. Before you know it, mataas na siya. Kasi during the pandemic po, ay nandito po yan eh. It went as low as, let's go to March. March 16, nung nagpandemya, yung kanyang closing price then was 121. Yan, no? So, nag-double your money na po si Jollibee. At si Jollibee, buying spree po siya. So, bumibili po siya ng mga companies na inaakala niyang magbe-benefit sa kanya. No? Lately, in-acquire niya yung majority stakes at Tim Ho Wan or additional stakes at Tim Ho Wan. And then we have here yung bubble tea. Mag-acquire siya ng 51%. So, buying spree po siya in anticipation for the reopening of the economy. At sa akin po ay kung ngayon lang po kayo mag-i-invest ay pwede pa siguro, no? Pero mas maganda po kung naka-invest po kayo a few weeks back, ano? When the price of Jollibee was, tingnan natin dito sa area to. Closing price as 206. Meron po akong Jollibee but I don't trade it. I acquired it for capital appreciation. It's for investment purposes. Okay. After JFC, SMPH. Si SMPH ay, naku, actually, matagal nang ganito si SMPH, oh. So, ngayon lang siya nag-jump, but it still has to reach resistance level. Actually, baka resistance na nga ito eh. Yung 3670. I think this is resistance level already kasi yung upper wick of the candle already was at 3660. Which is already resistance level. Anyway, just piercing through the candlesticks and there is no clear indication yet kung magtutuloy-tuloy po ito. But the next resistance level, kung dediretso po siya, nandito po sa 37.90 to 38 pesos po ang SM Prime Holdings. Then GTCAP, wow, breakout. GTCAP is a breakout with volume and this is the highest since July 16, 2021. Ngayon, the next resistance level is somewhere here, 608. And after that, ang kanyang resistance level ay nasa 628.50. Now, when I talk of resistance, these are not exact points but these are areas. Okay? So, nasa 585 po siya, gaining 26 pesos or 4.65%. And finally, ALLDY. Nasa second day na po siya or third day. No, so tignan po natin and nag-settle po siya sa 77. I think nagsa-settle down na po si ALLDY. Ito po yung 15-minute chart ni ALLDY. And kung titingin nyo po, 90 pesos po ito noong first day. It reached, nandito siya. Nasa ceiling siya at 90 pesos. So it reached as high as 110 but nag-profit taking po yung mga may hawak po nito. Kaya po on the second day ay nagsettle po siya at 76, no? Nagsettle po siya sa 76 and then today it settled at 74 rather. It settled at 74 and today it's up 3 centavos to settle at 77. So not much trades here, no? Mukhang nagsisettle down na po. Pero meron pong net foreign buying si ALLDY. Yan po ang ating report sa stock market November 5, 2021. Ito po si Benji Chidoro nagpapaalala, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay. Hanggang sa muli, happy weekend. God bless. Bye for now.